Hello, my dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new grammar lesson which covers collective noun. For understanding it well, very first I'm going to tell you what is noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. In examples, we have here Mrs. Smith and pencil. What is special about noun? Very first, I'm going to tell you what are the kinds of noun. So, noun has four kinds particularly: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. Abstract noun is not in your course, and collective noun I'm going to explain you. It's really very important to understand proper noun and common noun very first. I know you know that, but I'm again reminding you or give you a short recap of this, okay? Common noun. Common noun is a common name used for a person, place, or thing. Like here we have girl, city, and toy. So here you can notice girl is common girl. There is no name of girl. Then city, there is no particular city name is here. Okay. Now it's important to understand what is proper noun. Proper noun is a specific name for a person, place, or thing. In examples, you can see Emily, Seattle, and teddy bear. So here particular names are there. Their girl is mentioned in common noun. Here the particular name Emily is mentioned. Their city is mentioned in common noun, and here particular city name Seattle is mentioned. Their toy is mentioned as a common noun, and here teddy bear, the particular name of a toy is mentioned. So I think you understood. Let's have a short recap. So do remember, noun is a name of any person, place, or thing. Okay. And proper noun is a name of any person, place, or thing in a particular name. Okay. So P for proper and P for particular name. Be careful about it, and you should learn like this. And what is special about? Proper nouns start with a capital letter. So whenever you have to recognize between common noun and proper noun, you should easily recognize with, because it starts with capital letter. We have some examples like Geeta, India, Mr. Smith, Taj Mahal, okay, and many more. Now it's turn to understand what is common noun. Common nouns are common names like girl, ball, tree, or city. There is no particular name is mentioned. So these words are called as common noun. I think you are able to understand. Now it's time to start our main topic, which is collective noun. So let's begin. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are words used to mean a group of. Examples: instead of saying a group of books, we say a library of books. Instead of saying a group of flowers, we say a bunch of flowers. Let's have more examples to understand it well. A herd of buffaloes, a flock of geese, a litter of puppies, a colony of ants, a school of fish. Do you notice anything in common about the words like herd, flock, litter, colony, school? Yes, all these words refer to a group of things. They talk about lots of things taken as one. For examples, there are lots of buffaloes that are together as one whole or one group. A flock of geese. It is the same for litter of puppies and a colony of ants. These were a group or collection of things taken together. Let's look some more examples. A crowd of people, a pride of lions, a bunch of grapes, a bouquet of flowers. So finally we learn a collective noun is used as a name for a group or collection of people or things. Name of a group: a party of friends. And collection of things, example, a bunch of grapes. Now next I'm going to share one slide which has listed many of collective nouns. Let's have a look. Collective nouns: a pride of lions, a flight of steps, an army of ants, a class of pupils, a swarm of bees, a brood of chicks, a string of pearls, a gang of thieves, a crowd of people, a school of fish, a pack of cards, a herd of cattle, a clump of trees, a pack of wolves, a chore of singers, a chef of papers, a litter of puppies, a troop of dancers. Now let's do some practice exercises. Join and make phrases. A shoal of fish, a flock of sheep, a swarm of bees, a pack of wolves, a herd of elephants. In this way, we have finished this exercise. Let's move to other. In the next exercise, we have to fill the same phrases in the blanks given below. So let's do it. There is a flock of sheep in the valley. A shepherd is looking after them. Second one. After the sun had set, a farmer saw a pack of wolves near his fields. He was afraid and came home. Now let's do the third one. A swarm of bees has built a hive under the roof of our school. Now fourth one. The water in the stream was so clear that I could see a shoal of fish swimming in the water. Fifth one. At the Periyar National Park, we saw a herd of elephants. Now just turn the page and look at the next exercise. Join and make new words. Let's do it. Sun, rise, hair cut, hill top, wood cutter. It's easy now? Now let's do the last exercise of the chapter. Let's write. Let's read the instructions first. Describe an old animal you have seen. It may be a horse, a donkey, a cow, a dog, or any other creature. How does it look? How do people treat it? How can you help it? So here I'm going to show you a paragraph. You have to write down it in your textbook in neat and clean handwriting. Let me read this paragraph for you. There's an old dog that has been living in a park near my house. Its coat is very thin, and in some spots on his back has no hair at all. It looks weak and limps a little. Nobody pays any attention to it, and it roams about sniffing things on the road, looking for food. I give him food and water every day. I have found out the number of an animal shelter and will request them to take this dog with them. I hope they will be able to take care of it and treat the injured leg. So here let me explain you. There is an old dog that has been living in a park near my house. Okay, so there is a dog which is lived near my house. Its coat is very thin. Coat is very thin means coat means skin, okay? And some spots on his back, and he has no hair. So he was really a poor dog. It looks weak and limps. Weak means very much kamzor. And limps a little means to walk with difficulty because you have hurt your leg or foot. Okay, it means it was not able to walk because it was injured. Nobody pays any attention to it. It roams about sniffing things on the road. Roams means wandering here and there, okay? And it was hungry also because it was looking for food. I gave him some food and water. I have found out the number of an animal shelter. Animal shelter means the group of people or the persons who take care of these type of animals, and I request them to take this dog with them and take care of it and its injured leg also. Okay, so the dog maybe looks like this. Now I think you are able to understand all these exercises well. Now it's time to note down your homework. Learn the collective nouns. So here is the slide. You have to write down these collective nouns in your English notebook and try to learn these collective nouns. Okay, so this is your homework. So keep smiling, keep learning. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.